आप लोगों से बात करूंगा पार्ट 2 ऑफ 100 मीटर्स विच इज गेटिंग आउट ऑफ द ब्लॉक्स। कार्ल लुइस के कोच टॉम टेलिस ने कहा है that 5% of your race depends on this part, but believe me, this is the backbone of your race, and how you run rest of your race totally depends on these 5%. सबसे पहले तो हम ये जान लें कि हमें स्टार्टिंग ब्लॉक की ज़रूरत क्या है, क्यों चाहिए हमें स्टार्टिंग ब्लॉक्स। तो गाइज, हम लोग अपनी 100 मीटर वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम ए जीरो स्पीड, and when the gun is shot we try to run forward, and every step we push the ground back. So when pushing the ground back on the right angle, there are every possible chances that we might slip, and to avoid that slipping part we use starting blocks. But using the starting blocks, is that all? I have realized that majority of people use the starting blocks but they don't utilize it properly. Utilizing it, proper pushing is really important in this phase. Up to push the block right, you have to fix up the block right. There are two parts I want to categorize this phase into. One is fixing up the block, and number two is pushing out of the blocks. So today we are talking about the part 2, which is getting out of the blocks. So getting out of the blocks, again, I would say the right term is pushing out of the blocks. So that's really important, to push out of the blocks. Now you have to consider a few points which are really important. Number one, your both legs will push out of the blocks. Your front leg, which is the powerful leg, and your back leg, which is the quick leg, will generate force. Your arms will be utilized properly. The strength in your arms will be utilized properly. Your eyes will be looking at the ground, and the body angle will be like this 45-degree angle, so that you're pushing on every step. It is very important to push out of the blocks, because immediately after getting out of this phase, you will be entering the most important phase, which is the drive phase. So you need to enter that phase with proper body balancing. You should be in total control of your body so that you can push at every step. So guys, we will be talking about on how to fix up your blocks in the next video. Keep watching us. Do subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. God bless. In this video, you will see that athlete is pushing from both the legs. Her arms are utilized properly. The body is at exactly 45-degree angle. Her eyes are facing towards the ground. Now you will see the proper extension of her front leg. Just see when she leaves the block, proper extension of the front leg. And yeah, see, look at this extension. This is the proper way of pushing out of the blocks.